Hi everybody, Andy here with etrailer.com, and today we're going to take a look at this Bulldog Winch Standard Series off-road synthetic rope winch. This Standard Series recovery winch is going to let you pull your stuck vehicle out of the mud, the snow, the water, or a ditch, and up steep inclines. This is perfect for work trucks, for Jeeps, and other off-road vehicles. And it's designed for vehicles specifically with a gross vehicle weight up to 6,333 pounds. This 5.5 horsepower series wound motor delivers powerful, fast, and safe line pulling. The motor is more powerful and it's more efficient, and it produces more torque than a permanent magnet motor. Drain holes let the water escape to prevent moisture buildup. This has an automatic mechanical brake that holds 100% of the load while minimizing winch creep. And the power unit includes the contactor and a plastic housing and all of the electrical wiring and the included brackets that you see here. So you can mount this unit over the motor like so, or over the drum, like as you see here. Now there is a wiring kit that is sold separately that is going to let you remotely mount the power unit if you would like to do that, and that wiring kit is available here at etrailer.com. The sealed 450 amp contactor transmits power from the vehicle's battery to the winch motor. It is water and weather resistant to IP67 specifications. Now it does feature a rubber handheld remote with this 12-foot lead that's going to let you operate the winch from a safe distance. The weather resistant switch is going to power the load in and out. And I just wanted to show you real quick how you can plug this in. On the power unit, there is a port here, and it has a protective rubber weather resistant cap here to cover that port to keep it clean, free from debris. And then you just simply plug in the remote right here, line up the pins here, and it plugs right in. And then that's going to allow you to use this remote on your winch. And then to unplug it, there is just a push button release here on the plug of the remote, and that's going to allow you to easily remove it. And then I'll just go ahead and replace our cap. Now, a wireless remote control is available from Bulldog Winch. That is sold separately, but we do carry that here at etrailer.com. Now this does have an all-steel 3-stage planetary gear train with a gear ratio of 265:1, and that's going to provide an increased drum speed and torque when compared with worm drives and 1- or 2-stage planetary gear trains. The free spooling clutch is going to ensure fast rope payout, and it reduces wear on the motor, and the gearbox can be rotated 360 degrees so you can reach the clutch handle no matter how and where you mount this winch. So right now I do have this in the engaged position, but to turn this to the free spool, you just turn it 180 degrees, and then that's going to allow you to pull out your rope however far and where you need this, and then simply turn it back again another 180 degrees, and then that will lock this in the engaged position. Now this 3/8 of an inch diameter high molecular polyethylene synthetic rope is strong as steel, but it's lightweight and it's safer to handle, and it's 100 feet long, and at the end is this 3/8 of an inch steel hook with a keeper and nylon hand saver strap that is included. So again, this synthetic rope is going to be safer to use. It is definitely lighter, and we do have this available in the wire rope version as well if you would prefer that. It's the same winch, it just has a wire rope, and I am including our item number for that version of the winch on your screen. Just take that item number and put it in the search field of our website here at etrailer.com, and it will take you to the wire rope version of this winch. Now, this heavy-duty CNC machined billet aluminum house fair lead has a rounded fair lead hole that's going to help prevent friction damage to the rope, and it has a clear anodized finish that's going to resist corrosion. The durable black powder coated steel body and motor are also going to resist corrosion, and the decrement plated motor tube resists internal corrosion. The tie bars and the side frames help create a strong, rigid winch body. And the rated line pull with a single layer of rope around the drum is 9,500 pounds. That's a static load. And again, the vehicle recovery capacity is 6,333 pounds. This motor is a 12-volt DC motor. The line pull at 0 pounds has a power draw of 60 amps and line speed of 21 feet per minute. And the line pull at 9,500 pounds has a power draw of 380 amps and a line speed of 6 feet per minute. The duty cycle is 2 minutes on and 15 minutes off. And the battery lead wire is 2 gauge and the battery lead length is 6 feet long. And the recommended battery size for maximum power is 650 cold cranking amps. Now, the overall dimensions of this winch, just to help you determine if this is going to fit your specific situation, looking at the overall length first, we are sitting right at about pretty close to 21 3/4 inches long at the longest point here. And the width, we are sitting pretty close to right at about 6 5/16 inches wide. And then the overall height at the tallest point, we're sitting pretty close to, at our clutch here, pretty close to 8 inches, but if you add the power unit on the motor or on the winch itself, probably going to be closer to about 8 5/8 inches tall. And the drum dimensions is going to be 2.5 inches in diameter and about 8 13/16 inches long. This does have a 4-bolt mounting pattern. That measures 10 inches by 4.5 inches. And this weighs right at about 61 pounds. Well, that's going to conclude our look today. I do hope that it was helpful for you. Again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.